Audi Skysphere Concept. The Audi Skysphere isn't just another electric roadster. It's a total game changer. Imagine a car that adapts to your vibe, smoothly transitioning from a thrilling sporty ride to a chill, hands-free cruise. Its unique ability to expand or contract its wheelbase means you can customize your driving experience and interior space on the fly. Plus, with an impressive range of 310 miles per charge, it's got both speed and stamina. While the price hasn't been finalized, industry insiders anticipate it'll be around $1,450,000, showcasing Audi's signature mix of luxury and groundbreaking design. Get ready to redefine your driving experience with the Audi Skysphere.